All right, this question once again is getting into those old skills of domain and range. If you remember, our domain is asking us what are all the possible x values for a function that's graphed, or you can think of it as how far left to right does the graph go. So, how far left does it go? Does it go forever in that direction? How far right does it go? Does it stop? Does it go forever in that direction? Are there any gaps or any spaces where the X just does not exist on that graph? So, looking at this graph, the way it's graphed here, from a graphing calculator, they usually don't draw the arrows on the graphing calculator, but we can assume this goes down and to the left forever, and this part goes to the right forever. So, speaking of how far left this graph goes, if it goes to the left forever, we call that negative infinity. And it goes to the right, the graph stops right here. And so it does have a value for x equals 2. And then it picks up down here again and keeps going that way. So it doesn't have any spots where the x value does not exist. X exists at 2, it exists at 3, at 4, all of those numbers. So this graph just keeps going right forever. We call that infinity. So our domain would be negative to infinity, or we could say all real numbers.